Okay, so for this short tutorial, we will be making a new class. This is the using the new version of classin. So this is the latest and upgraded version. First, we have to look back to our schedule calendar. Then we will try to make a new class, new classroom for Ivan 9HK for July 27 at 8:30 p.m. So let's go ahead, click starting from home, click new class. Then it's either you will be using a personal account or the company account. Ivan 9HK July 2025 class. So you have to name your class. Then you have to create it. Then after clicking it, you have to wait for it to be uploaded, to be created. Then you will create using this button or create button here. Then simply click lesson. Then we will make Ivan a classroom for July 27 at 8:30 or 20:30 in the evening. So click. Then we can add the students right here. Let's look for it. Ivan. Wait, we have to make sure which Ivan we are making. So anyway, no problem. We will be forwarding them the link, which student we are trying to make a classroom. So that is how you create a classroom using the new version, upgraded version of classin application. Thank you so much and goodbye.